Okay, so this is actually a customers area. You'll notice that there's limited numbers of features in the customers area. There's the ability to change the personal details, take a look at the invoicing history, set themselves up on auto ship, add an order, and of course the customer sensitive FAQ, as well as the ability to submit a support link. So it's a very limited feature set compared to the Members Lounge. The Members Lounge, of course, has all kinds of different features. So the question sometimes comes up, what if I want to give one of the Members Lounge features to the Customer Lounge so that the customers have it? And one of the ones that we're going to show you today is how to take the payment types link and take it from the Members area and copy it into the Customers area. So you can see there's no payment types in the customer area right now. So now we're going to show you how to do that. So if you log into admin, from admin you're going to go to configuration and menu web editor. From in here, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go find that page in the members area so we know what the actual link to the code of that page is. So we'd click members. We know that that is hiding under finances. So we'd go in here to the payment types page and we would edit that page. The reason we're editing this page is we need to get this all-important URL file location. So I'm going to grab this and copy this with Control C. I've now copied this URL. So step 2 of this process is I want to go and add a page to the customer area. So I'm going to go back to Web Editor and I'm going to go into the customer area and I'm going to click on the Add New Page, Update Page area. So here what I want to do is I want to add a page, and I think it would make the most sense if it came right in between details and invoicing. So I'm going to give it a sort order of 30. As this is not a client custom page, I am not going to check this box. I'm actually making a system page. Now I also have to give the appropriate distributor access. Don't get confused. Even though it's the customer lounge, if you give customer access, it won't get you won't be able to get in. So you need to give it distributor access because you're still needing authorization to get into this area. So I'm now going to click Add New. So I'm making a new page. You can see that distributor is the user type. Referrer will leave as default. Language will leave as English. Sort orders 30, as I said. We're going to call this payment methods. Look at that, already been done. We're going to leave the menu the same because we don't want it to go off and change to a different menu. We just want to use the same menu that's already in the customer lounge so as to not confuse anybody when they click on this link. Now we're going to put the file URL location the same as what we copied from the members area. Payment methods, I'm going to copy this and I'm going to put this into the title of the page, the description of the page, the keywords of the page, and the comment of the page. I could come back and add an icon to this in the future if I wanted to. Right now, we're going to just leave it for simplicity as it is. So now once I click Save, I've now added this page and told it to reference the same members page. So we can see that it's showing up here on the list. And now if we go check the actual customer area and refresh this area, we should see it pop up right over here. And there it is. So payment methods, I would now have the ability to add a credit card payment method as a customer. Of course, if they've already signed up as a customer, the only way they would usually get in is to have a credit card already in the system, but this is where they would now see it to be able to edit it or change it should they have any reason to. That concludes this tutorial.